Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to print a two-color Barbie coffee table using a single color, single extruder Ender 3 printer by actually taking the part and splitting it up to two and printing them one at a time. So first off, you'll need to just only load the table itself, not the logo, just the table. Hit open and it'll open just like any other file. But instead of adding the other file in the usual manner, right-click on the Barbie coffee table and choose Add Part, Load, and then select the logo and open it. This aligns the two parts perfectly so they're in the right spots, but now they'll both be printed. So in order to just print the logo first and the table second, you'll need to right-click on the table, change the type to a modifier, and when we don't actually set any modifications, it'll just leave the table out. So now the logo is the only part that'll be printed, and we need to change some settings. Ensure that the expert mode is set up here. Go into print settings, ensure that the layer heights are set to 0.2, and check the avoid crossing perimeters checkbox. This allows the nozzle to travel around the print instead of crossing it, which could lead to some discoloration. Then you need to go onto the skirt and brim and ensure that there are no skirts, loops, and there's no brim. Finally, you'll need to go under the printer settings, go onto the extruder 1 and set a lift set of 0.8. That'll ensure that the nozzle actually moves up a little before it crosses anything, so again we won't hit the logo when we're printing the table. Now we're ready. If we hit slice, you'll notice that actually only the logo is being sliced and ready for printing. You'll also see that there's only two layers because the part itself was designed to be 0.4 millimeters high. So with a layer height of 0.2, that'll leave these two layers. So go ahead and export the G-code and print it. And once it's printed, change the filament to the table color. And now you'll need to change the table back to a part. And now you'll just select the logo and change the type to a modifier. If you leave the rest of the settings, you'll just hit Slice Now. And now the table part is the only one to be printed. The logo will be left out. So if we scroll all the way down, you'll notice that there's actually no logo here. It'll just print around the logo. So in this manner, you can have one color for the logo and another for the table itself. So once again, just hit slice and export the G-code and print it, and you'll have a nice two-color Barbie coffee table. Thanks for watching.